I already put one bellow in. This is the second one I'm going to put in. It was a little bit more harder than I thought, but eventually we got there. Another one in. It's gone up. No. Got it there. It's half an hour. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So as you can see, I'll just have to fix this side because it just doesn't want to go up and make the sound. But as you can see, it's working. It's about time. It took me a long time anyway, but eventually we got there. A little screw that goes on the side. The pin already is gone in the pin. So what I'm going to do before I try to fix that, because you could see that this bellow is not working properly. Just testing it out. Obviously, the way it's not where it's supposed to be. It's a bit, it has to be bent in. Maybe. That's 1 o'clock. 1:30. So like I said, the only thing I have to do now is fix this one up because the wire is tension. It doesn't want to go up and down anymore. So it only take me a couple of minutes and I'll fix that. Everything is back on or in the cuckoo clock. Just about I'll test it to find out the time, exactly what the time is. And then we'll put that back to see if the sound of the bang is it's nice. So first of all I have to find out the time. That's a half an hour. Big hand has to go down to 6. Okay, so that's 6, half an hour. So I'm trying to now the cuckoo, it was 7 times. So now I'm putting the hour onto 7. The hour and the short one goes on 7. And then we'll put the hour. That's half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6, 7, 8. Yes. So now what I'll do is put this back and see what it sounds like. Sounds alright. We'll leave it as it is. Let's see what it sounds now. Sounds alright. Put it up on the wall. You can put the pendulum on. How's that? Looks good. check to see if it's level. If you can see me from this side, but that's alright. It's nice sound. I reckon it's good. Looks alright. We had a little bit hard time doing it. Put the mechanism in, take it out, put it in, take it out. There's the little birdie that I have to fix it. As you can see, he's not coming all the way out. Just to fix a little bit thing behind it. Thank you for watching. Thanks once more, yeah.